Hello, today I am going to walk you through a really quick and basic overview of how to navigate and get into the editing portions of your LinkedIn profile. So this is the home page. It's where you land anytime you sign in. And while there are a number of functions of this home page, there's really three main ones. First and foremost, there is a top menu that allows you to click into various areas. There's a search bar where you can really search keywords, specific people, companies, associations, job titles, you name it, search it, and you can populate a list of ways to navigate and utilize the platform. If you move further down, there's a My Network where you can look at who you're already connected with and search for other people. LinkedIn also makes recommendations based on your connections and your profile information as to who you may want to connect with. There's a job section that takes you specifically to job search. There's a messaging section and a notifications section that's common to any platform. And then last but not least, there's a Me. And when you click into that, it's primarily your settings. And then also you can click into your profile. The two other areas that are most prominent is a posting section where you can add to the feed of the platform. And this is really anything like you could post an article, you could be a thought leader, you could share that your company is hiring, you could share your thoughts about something going on with the economy or your industry. Additionally, you can review what other people are sharing on the feed as you scroll down. And from these posts, you can also repost content that you're interested in, such as you could repost here with your thoughts or just repost it without your thoughts. If you want to go to your profile and not only review your page, but add or edit to it, you would click into your profile picture here. That's how I do it. Or go back to this Me and click View Profile. I'm going to click into my profile picture on this left-hand column. And you'll notice we're on my profile page. Possibly one of the first things that you'll notice is that there are these little pencils dotted around, and that's how you edit content that is existing on your profile. You'll notice as we scroll down, there's a pencil for each section. So a pencil for my experience, a pencil for my education. And when I click into that, I then go into that specific section and can click on it again to edit within each entry of that section. I would click this back arrow over to the left-hand corner to go back to my main profile. And if I wanted to add, let's say I have a new role, I would click on this plus button and it would give me some options of what to add. And once I click into that, it will give me the fields to build out that content. If I scroll back up to the top, you'll notice some other areas that I can edit. And that's primarily in these buttons within what I call the header of your profile. This first button, Open To, that is how you would notify your network either publicly to everyone that you're connected with that you're looking for work, or how you would notify recruiters privately that you're open to work. If you're a small business owner, you can also use this to showcase that you have services that people can kind of buy into. There's also an Add a Profile section. So as I scrolled down, you would have seen that I had About, Experience, Education, certifications. If you want to add a profile section, you would click into here to add other things that you have, maybe such as volunteering or anything like that. There's an enhanced profile, and that would be buying into their premium paid subscription, and then a variety of other resources that they offer. You also, over on this right-hand side, get some other areas that you can click into, such as changing your profile language, updating your URL, and then they'll give you some quick snapshots of things that you access through this top menu, such as who's viewed your profile, which this becomes more clear when you buy into premium. So it's sort of a little sales pitch right there. But then also people that you may know. So instead of clicking to My Network, you can sort of, add people as you're on your page and just kind of a quick connect. There are some tutorials that I've already built out around changing your URL and how to do that successfully, as well as how to add your profile sections. So look at my page and find those.